A very good morning to all of you. So today this talk deeply relevant with our day-to-day lifestyle. Basically this is the indigenous knowledge, how indigenous knowledge contribute to health and wellness. Okay. If you say the indigenous knowledge is actually encompass lots of things, herbal medicine, Ayurvedic, some ancient philosophy to make us healthy. So basically what happened, so indigenous knowledge is traditional knowledge, basically traditional wisdom, skill and practices which local people they used to do in their lifestyle. So this is connected with the natures. So when it will be relevant, it is the harmony of the human beings with the natures. So for that one, this modern self-development philosophy, why do you need? We are now in this marvels of technology. Okay, we are living with this artificial intelligence. We are in the age of quantum science, quantum entanglement. So lots of connectivity is there, instant connectivity. It is a burning topic, irrelevant to the distance. We have some kind of symmetry, so we can connect immediately. So this kind of connectivity we have, but we have the least connectivity in human beings. That's why that indigenous knowledge system, ancient systems, this is very needful and urgent in present context, right? So that's why it is very important, because ancient and modern technology, that philosophy on that angle, modern self-development is what? Why it is needed? It is needed such that ancient philosophy and modern science and technology, we can connect to the human beings with the harmony with the nature. The 5,000 years old Ayurvedic system and yoga and everything we have, we are very rich in that context. So indigenous knowledge system encompasses 6 basically areas. Okay, one is herbal medicine, another is social ethics, healing rituals. So these are connected with that one, and dietary customs and ecological understanding and spiritual belief also. So in basically indigenous knowledge systems, what we observe in traditional customs and spiritual rituals. So first we have been observing and learning and inspiration. All these things are there. So then we can, after getting this experience, we have the self-development philosophy. And this self-development philosophy means we have to have the consciousness, awareness, and there have some purpose. That is the most important things. So with purpose, if some specific purpose only, we can have a good, having good life. We can have a wellness. We can have a good health. Then with this wisdom, so we can have this health and wellness, and then ultimately we can have a happiness and peace of mind. I already explained. So in indigenous knowledge systems, so it is a holistic view. It is not a specific, it is not connected with any individual things. It is connected with the society, social wellness. As per WHO health definition, it is not the physical health. It is the mental, spiritual, as well as the social wellness, right? So in indigenous knowledge systems also encompass broad field. Okay, the body system, mind, body and soul. Soul is self entity. It is not a mind. Okay, broad field. So body, mind, spirit and environment. Environment means society, your surroundings, everything. This is a broad field. This is a holism. So it is state of self, society and nature, I told. So preventive approach. We can keep our health in a sustainable way. So there is some spiritual dimensions also. Spiritual dimension means why spiritual dimension is required? To have a good confidence. Meditation is also very important. Okay.